let's talk about the worst shifter probably in the business. So it's in park right now. How do you go into reverse? One would think to go into reverse, you pull it back. So we're going to put foot on the brake. No. Okay. Maybe forward. No. Maybe press the button to take it out of park. No. Okay. No, it's the side. Now you're in neutral. Then forward. Now you're in reverse. So you've now gone forward from park, forward into the side to get into reverse. Now if you go back to the position you were in, the car is now in neutral, not park. You have to then press the button again, even though that's the position you were in when you're in park. Now, if you want to go from park or neutral, I guess, to drive, okay, then you pull back, right? No, you go to the side, and now you're in drive. All right, well, you've got the little plus and minus, so that means if you go like this, you're into manual mode, right? Yes, but you're also now into second. Okay. Just why reinvent the wheel like that?